Hello, my name is Janay Crusete and today I will be teaching you on how to do a crossover cable. So an Ethernet cable or an Ethernet crossover cable is a network cable used to connect two Ethernet network devices directly, such as two computers without a switch or a router in between. They are used to send and receive data by enabling complex data transfers between computers, routers, and networks.
Before we begin, please ensure that you have the following items: one Ethernet cable or Cat6, a crimping tool, and two RJ45s. Once you have all of the items, we'll now proceed to the actual steps. Step 1. Towards one end of the cable, cut open a slit a few inches long. Be careful not to damage the wiring inside the cable or cut yourself. Step 2. Peel back and remove the cable casing. This will leave the inner wiring exposed. Examine how the wiring is twisted together and note the colors of the wires.
Step 3. You will need to untangle the wires. Step 4. You may now arrange the wires from top to bottom. Please refer to the illustration on the screen. Once the order is correct, bunch them together in a line, and if there are any that stick out farther than the others, snip them back to create an even level. Step 5. Push the cable in the RJ45 carefully to maintain the order of the cables. Step 6. After the wires are securely sitting inside the plug, insert it into the crimping tool and push it down to lock the RJ45. Lastly, repeat the steps on the other side of the cable. Please refer to the connection B. You can now check the cable on a cable tester to observe if the cable is working properly.